In this video, I break it down to you step by step how I earn 5,000 plus dollars a month with affiliate marketing. No BS, no hype. I know there's a lot going on the screen, but don't worry. Just understand what I do works. I go get affiliate links, digital products affiliate links. I go to free websites, clickbank.com, warriorplus.com, and other affiliate websites that are free to join and free to sign up. So you can sign up for them because they're free, and you can do this because it's generally free. Then I set up a one-page website. On this one-page website, it allows me to build the email list because the money is in the email list. So I set up the one-page website, right, which takes generally maybe 30 minutes to 45 minutes to set up the one page website. Then I go run direct response marketing ads on the internet. These are ads that get people to go to a website to click the link. So they're called direct response marketing ads. You've seen these ads all over social media and they work, right? So I run the ads, I send people to the email list, and then I send people to the affiliate offer. And this is done with the system. This is done automatic because once you set up the system one time, it just runs by itself. So you set up the system, you get your website link, then you run the direct response ads on the internet and send people to the link inside of the ad. This is running 24/7, 7 days a week. Understand the internet never sleeps, right? It never turns off and never shuts down. So your ads are being seen by hundreds of thousands of people all across the world, even when you're not doing anything. Example, I work 2 hours a day in the morning time on the ads. Then throughout the day, I just look on my phone, I check my emails, and I just send emails, check my emails on my phone. But I work 2 hours in the morning time. I have daily action steps that I do every single day, right in the morning time. Do this, do this, do this. I work on my mindset and I work on myself. This produces no job income. All right, this is the reality. This is what I do. This is no BS. I get affiliate links. I set up one page websites one time. I go run direct response ads on the internet, whether they be free ads on social media or paid ads on other paid ad websites. I send people to an email list. I do the same thing every single day, the same 2 hour daily routine, sometimes like an hour and a half in the morning time. I work on my mindset and myself, and then that is my lifestyle. After that, I can just hang out, do whatever I want because I have my smartphone, which is smart and it makes me money because it's a smartphone. If you have a smartphone, you're not making money from it, you have a dumb phone. If you want to work with me and allow me to help you get set up doing the exact same thing, click the link below. But this is how I do it. Peace.